Mike from Van Life Sheldon's Travels, and today we are putting a piece of 6061 T6 aluminum as a skid plate underneath the van. You've seen in a couple of our videos in the last little bit, we did an oil change and a tune-up, and we hit something on the bottom of one of our adventures off-road. We hit something, and in that, we kind of hit where the drain plug and the oil pan. If you want more information about that, kind of go back in our videos, and you'll be able to find a video about that. But to prevent that from happening in the future, Bob got me a nice piece of aluminum. He ordered 6061, but it says 6055 on it. Either way, it'll work. It's a good airplane type aluminum, and we'll be able to have a nice skid plate to be able to run over nice little areas that could catch on my oil filter or my oil pan again, and I don't want that to happen. So this will protect it. Well, guys, we're going to cut this piece of aluminum with a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade. It's always best to have the right tools for the right job. A nice jigsaw and a nice metal cutting blade will do the trick. So we're going to cut this and drill out some holes, and we'll figure it out. So nothing to it but to do it, right? Okay, we're gonna do the other side.
You want to explain the candle?
Sure.
If it gets dark, we'll light it.
Oh, there you go.
Basically, the paraffin in the candle actually lubricates the saw blade and allows it not to get as dull as fast, and it'll cut through the aluminum a little bit better. Even
so that's
though these
just
are...
a basic wax candle you're using.
Yep, that's it. Nothing fancy.
Perfect.
Well, everybody, as you can see, we cut one big hole here to start, and we made 4 pilot holes, and we connected the dots with a jigsaw metal blade. And
Now we know where all the center lines are going to be. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
actually made that rail right there so that we can bend it, guys. Cut a little bit out so you can actually bend the aluminum. Good deal. And now we bend these tabs up.
Parallel with this.
Yep.
So they gotta come out straight like that. And you can probably do it with that right there.
Without breaking them off.
Yeah, just don't overdo it.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Just afraid because when I did that just now, they all wanted to snap on me.
Yeah, let's go slow. Slow, 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 slow.
Stop.
Yep.
A little bit more.
Nope, I think.
That's good.
You can always come back to it.
Right.
Do the end.
Do the two ends.
And then bring all the rest of them up to it.
Okay, that makes sense.
It'd be nice if we could put a clamp right here close, though, so you're not trying to bend that back. Good. Maybe too much. That's okay. But then again, this one here might need a little more bending too.
Right.
I don't know.
We can't tell if it's going to be flat or
What
not.
we want,
right?
we want this flat
and then
and
these
that
flat. Right. So
And
see, because that's still got a little.
so,
You know, that's pretty darn close.
okay, then go ahead and bend the other three to that. Don't go past the slot now.
The way it's going to bend it now.
Is it, where's the slot? Is it,
Oh, yeah, I'm
missing
way
it
above it. Yeah, I'm missing it good.
Good, good, good.
Let me go up a little bit more just to maybe get some more. See, now I'm bending weird.
Yeah, well, this isn't doing much here for you either. Oh, that's working. You know, we can always put that in a vise if we needed to. And just glue one vise and one at a time.
Huh? What about you? That looks pretty darn good.
Good, good. Got two more. Do the other side. This one bent down more than that. That's good. Probably too much, but that's okay.
Pretty darn good to me.
Yeah.
I see what you mean. A little bit.
So you gotta have
We
a
can
start.
tweak it. We can tweak it.
That's right. You gotta
Gotta
have
get
a
it
start.
started.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good. So
That'll look pretty straight when I go looking at them like this. Alright guys, we've got it all cut up and bent up and some holes. So we're going to see if it fits. Hope so, but I wanted you to see what it looks like pretty much done. So looks really nice. We were looking online, actually Bob was looking online, and they make these for the Ram Promaster and for other vehicles. And they start anywhere from $500 to $1,000. So this right here will be an amazing compliment to the bottom of the van, and it didn't cost us $1,000. So I want to thank Bob again for buying this piece of aluminum for me and having all the tools here to cut and his know-how, because you guys know I'm an electrical engineer. I'm not a tool and die or a metal fab guy. So but I am learning a lot, and with this experience, I think I could do this again if I have the right tools. So, but to me, this is beautiful, and I can't wait to see it mounted up in the van, and I know you can't either. So
So it's screwed up there, it's mounted and bolted. It's gonna be out there nice and tight. Got all the holes cut. Looks good. Got it all nice and bent today.
well, today we actually installed this skid plate right on the bottom of this 2016 Ram Promaster City. You can take this technique and pretty much apply it to any vehicle that you have and would like to put a skid plate underneath. All you need is a couple of bolts and a nice piece of aluminum. And what was the name of that company that you can order that stuff from? McMaster Car. If you look that up online, they have a whole bunch of different sizes of aluminum stuff and a whole bunch of other things that you can order. So I hope you enjoyed this little video with us today, and I hope it helped you out. Until the next video, please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that bell on the next time we post a video.